Ancora Yacht introduces high-speed chase boat for luxury yacht charter mobility. Ancora Yacht has launched a 54-foot Maori chase boat designed to enhance luxury yacht charter mobility across the Mediterranean and Caribbean. The high-performance tender allows guests to access secluded beaches, conduct private transfers, and explore destinations without repositioning the main yacht. Powered by twin 800 HP engines and capable of speeds above 45 knots, the vessel expands itinerary flexibility while supporting modern super yacht charter experiences.